This is Mr. Kang again here in Toyota Purview. And today po, showcase natin ang Toyota GL Dropside 2.4 automatic. Ang hot po na Hilux Tamaraw ngayon. Especially marami na po nag-release ng mga vloggers, no? Makita mo sa labas. Pati tires po niyan, rim palit, no? So we have a promotion under Toyota Financial Services.
Nice.
For as low as 10% TP or for as long as max term 84 months, pwede kayo ma-approve dito. Perfect po ito pang business, sakto-sakto. Fast approval, let me know, contact Mr. Kang.